Did you know that as of today, there are more than 31 million cases of coronavirus and over 500,000 deaths in the U.S.? People have lost family, friends, and loved ones. There has been loss and grief, but there has also been hope and relief.
More than 24 million patients have safely recovered from COVID-19 thanks to our doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers. But their health also matters. Healthcare workers are the human cause of the pandemic, and it is high. They put themselves at high risk of infection every day.
In the North American continent, more than 570,000 healthcare workers have fallen ill and 2,500 have lost the battle against the virus. For almost every state in the U.S., up to 26% of coronavirus infections are healthcare workers because of their higher rates of exposure.
It is important that we have equipped our healthcare workers with the appropriate resources and training in order to ensure an adequate and timely response to the pandemic and so that the patients also get the best service. 10% of these workers, over 250,000 people in the U.S. alone, have to wear the powered air purifying mask to ensure their safety.
But there are several big issues with the PAPR. Getting ready to treat a COVID-19 patient involves a lengthy donning process, help from other doctors or nurses, and also plenty of assembling parts to wear the PAPR.
This creates major problems for the fast-paced hospital environment. Healthcare workers need to be able to respond to patients' immediate needs. Right now, this is an even bigger problem because many hospitals are overcrowded. Healthcare workers can't afford to waste 40 minutes putting on and taking off the PAPR.
Many times, this results in sacrificing safety, either by leaving the PAPR on throughout the whole day or by skipping steps in the lengthy process. Healthcare workers shouldn't have to sacrifice their own safety because the devices designated to protect them don't fit into their workflow.
The global market size for the PAPR in 2020 was reported to be 650 million and expected to grow to 3.7 billion by 2027.
Creating a device that can integrate the necessary safety that the PAPR provides, that's also compatible with the fast-paced flow of a hospital environment, will allow our team to capitalize on a growing market. The total addressable market for this project is 650 million as reported by Global Market Reports, and the serviceable available market is approximately 6.5 million.
A fast-paced hospital environment needs a quick donning and doffing mechanism to minimize the amount of time taken away from patient care. The PAPR MagStand allows donning and doffing with zero effort, minimum contact, and optimum speed. Our developed PAPR hood contains magnets on its sides to attach and hang from the stand after use and on its back for immediate positioning of the hood before use, without the need of touching it and risking any external contamination. The waist-level platform allows for a smooth battery drop-off while the PAPR hangs from the stand, and every attachment is portable and easily stored.
The PAPR MagStand is fully functional. We tested this based on two specific parameters meeting the client's needs. Our testing procedures aimed to test time, donning and doffing time being reduced to its minimum, and points of contact, which we restricted to less than 2.
While timing both donning and doffing times, the person performing the test put Vaseline on their hands, which shows up as light blue and black light. With this, we were able to quantify the amount of contact there is between the user and the external surface of the PAPR.
Since the start of COVID-19, there has been no adaptation of the PAPR to the fast-paced environment that healthcare workers encounter on a day-to-day basis in hospitals. There are no specific instructions on donning and doffing procedures, much less decontamination procedures for the PAPR itself, which is why the MagStand presents the quickest and most effective solution in reducing risk of contamination for healthcare workers.
The next steps for our product would involve doing a more extensive patent search and making sure our device meets all the necessary regulations. Additionally, testing in a hospital environment will help find other adaptations to the user's needs.
In the future, a door-mounting version of the MagStand could also present a feasible solution. To quote Steve Cockburn, head of Economic and Social Justice at Amnesty International, "For one healthcare worker to die from COVID-19 every 30 minutes is both a tragedy and an injustice. Healthcare workers all over the world have put their lives on the line to try and keep people safe from COVID-19. Yet far too many have been left unprotected and paid the ultimate price. This is why we believe the MagStand is the next innovation that hospitals need.
The MagStand protects our healthcare workers so that they can protect you.